Hi guys, I'm taking you guys to the glowworm tunnel. So apparently the worms glow, so I'm gonna take you there. Come with me guys. See, that's where the tunnel is. So I'm gonna take you to the tunnel where there's a... Wait, don't make noise because the worm will make...
On my own, but I don't know why you hit the road, but you don't realize I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back. 'Cause I won't look back. I won't look back. 'Cause I won't look back. On my own, and I don't know why. She told me it's not your fault, but you don't realize that I never wonder what's the truth in your eyes. There's a light that makes me blush. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around.
Yeah. Come on, baby. Guys, it's a 1 hour walk to the glowworm tunnel. So we have to walk it, not allowed to drive here. It's a national park. So it's gonna be an exercise for me. 1 hour walk to the glowworm tunnel. Come with me for a walk, guys. Come with me for a walk. We gotta walk through the glowworm tunnel. 1 hour walk. Oh, look, guys. Oh, look at that. It's really nice. So deep. See water. It's on the desert too. Tunnel. It's one walk. It's 1 hour walk. So come with me. Let's go. I'm taking you guys in the bush. Come with me. Let's go to the glowworm tunnel. It's 1 hour walk, guys. So hopefully I'm gonna lose weight by the time I come back home. It's a beautiful. I can hear different birds. Guys, we have to go here, so must be the tunnel over there. Here, guys, we have to go down the stairs. That's the tunnel there. We're gonna go inside and see if the worms are glowing. Come on.